I'm a nurse by profession. Before Melaleuca, I used to do a business before, but after that business, because it was just good for 3 years, I didn't do any business for 11 years. Now, in fact, Melaleuca was introduced to me by like a couple of people, and then one of them is our executive here, Fauci. She said that she called me a lot of times, but because of that bad experience with that company, that lasted only for 3 years, I closed my mind. There's Fauci, there's somebody from Canada, Gigi, was calling me about the business, and then a couple more friends about Melaleuca. And as I said, my mind is closed. And then here comes my friend that she's been calling me every year, but she didn't stop. And then this January, it was the right time for me to listen. Because I was so tired already of being a nurse. I've been a nurse since I was 19 years old. So I came to the United States, I was 28. And then now I'm 56. So, I said, I'm so tired of doing this nursing now. But see, I can tell my husband, that I'm really at that point. So when Maria said that, Desi, I wanted to show you Melaleuca, and then she said, oh, I heard about Melaleuca, Chip. Said, but you know what? The difference, Desi, is that I get a check every month for 11 years now. I said, oh, that's different. Because if I have to do overtime before, as a nurse, I have to work like 16 to 20 hours in order to get $500, net from 20 hours overtime. Okay, so that means if I have to, like, the delivering wellness presentation now, they are saying that, to gap the household expenses. So that's what I was looking for. Okay, so come on over. And she said she bought the plane ticket right away. So she came here. That was Saturday, the first product launch, and this was in the South. So I attended. And then she said, let's sit in the front, Desi. I said, okay, let's sit in the front. So we were there in the front. And then here comes just like what we saw, all the leaders in the front of you. And then I said, oh, maybe I can do this. I said part-time. But I'm looking already. I said, oh, but maybe I will do this full-time soon. So on first 4 months, I think my first check was 2,500, 2,553. I ended up with 47 in my organization. Now, we started January 11. Ended up January 31st with 47 people. It's hard work for me. Why? Because the person who enrolled me is from San Francisco. And in fact, when she enrolled me, 2 days after she enrolled me, she has to go home to the Philippines because her father-in-law died. So I was left here, but actually not by myself. Why? Because the regional director, the regional for Northeast manager, Evan Mann, was calling me. I said, oh, this is the first company that I heard that somebody is following me. He didn't even know me. So, and then there's somebody who called me from the Southwest telling me, I'm the regional manager of Southwest because you have people here, I gotta take care of them. I said, oh, good. And then one of the support team, Alan Pariser, called me from Las Vegas, said, Desi, this is Alan Pariser. Who are the people that you wanted me to talk to so I can help you build your Melaleuca business while Maria is in the Philippines? So I said, oh my gosh, we have all this support team. So I told Joanna, because it's only me and Joanna that time. I said, Joanna. She said, Mom, what will we do? I said, we got a kit here. So we're going to practice doing this presentation. We have a Delivering Wellness book. So I told my husband, see, I enrolled. Ernie didn't know that I enrolled. So, and then, because he doesn't want me to do any more business, right? Yeah, he screens all those people who calls me. He said, you concentrate on your nursing profession. So I said, okay. So Ernie doesn't want, but see, I don't drive. So when he picks me up from work, before working that night, I have to study the delivering wellness, I have to study the compensation, and then I said, let me book presentation. So I booked 2 presentation in one day. You know, every day I'll just read the delivering wellness. What will I do? I use the product. Once my product arrived, I use the shampoo, I use this, you know, everything. Just like what Chris said. Use the product and then just do it. That's it. So after January 31, I became Director 3, and my first person, Joanna, my daughter-in-law, and my son, they became Director 3 with me. And that's what we did. Just do it. And then I set my goal, you know. And then I said, okay, if I have to really hit my goal, I really have to leave nursing. So what I did, I texted my boss. So I text my boss. I said, you know what? I don't feel like going back to nursing anymore. I don't feel like going back to work. My boss said, can you write me an email? Because you know I have to show it to the human resources that you really wanted to resign. But I didn't write her an email because if I have to write her an email, my husband will see my email. You know, and he will catch me, you know, because I didn't tell him even that I resigned from my job. I told Evan man, I said, Evan, what will I do? I said, Desi, I'm, you know, I hope you will still be alive when Ernie will. So anyway, that's the story. And then I told Ernie, I said, oh, you know what? Let's add your name in the application.
So I have a question. Did you say you don't drive?
Yes, I don't drive.
Why are we giving you a car?
Because Ernie is with me.
Good thing you put your name on that application. So Ernie, right over there is a sign of your car, right? You want to go get it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And I'm going to tell you a little bit about their car.
Wow.
They bought a 2011 BMW
Wow.
328i xDrive.
Wow.
Right? The color is jet black. It has a 6-speed manual transmission with overdrive, an AWD drivetrain. It has V-spoke light alloy wheels, so those are those Hot Wheels. Chrome dual exhaust. It must go fast. Do you drive it?
I know Ernie tries it, you
Ernie.
know, okay, so.
Ernie, have you broke the speed limit?
I just drive 65.
Sure you do. Rain sensing intermittent windshield wipers. So it tells you if rain's coming. That's good. Does it tell you if there's going to be an earthquake? I understand you have those around here. Front fog lights, dual heated power mirrors. It's dark burl walnut wood interior, leather wrapped tilt and telescoping steering wheel. You better get a driver's license. This sounds fun. Push button engine start, dual automatic air conditioner, leather seats, heated front seats, and the retail value is about $39,000, right? And we are so proud of you guys, and your largest check is $21,000, right?
Yes.
And we are so proud of you guys and your leadership and what you've provided and for being part of NOLA. We're just so proud of you. Here's a keychain, and here's a sticker you can put in your window, and your keys to your car that you gave to me.